Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 8 January Saturday. And in the Discord, if you're not there, you have to join the Discord. And I said yesterday, made a post that maybe your bottom is in and we might not go to 39,000 as everyone wants. Current price is $41,000. So I told them it's shopping time. And another update is I was expecting an inverted hammer, but the closing has shown a spinning top. Don't worry, that's still positive. So yesterday on the 4-hour time frame, if I actually zoom in into this image right now, we made a nice spinning top in a downtrend, and that means that the trend is going to reverse a little bit. And I gave a reference to one of the candlestick reading images as well. So basically, that did play out really nicely when we were down at $41,000. And yes, this could be your bottom right now. Okay, people were calling for $30,000, but there's a reason why that might not even happen. And in my opinion, it's now starting to reverse. This is a very good structure for us to continue to the upside. Now, finger crossed, anything can happen. You can still even go to $30,000. $39,000. I wouldn't be surprised if that ever happens, because one thing I'm going to talk about in the details is that Bitcoin is looking still has a chance, like we are being dropped into the edge, and it's like we are about to be pushed off, and there's this one last hope that we do not enter the bear market. Yes, we are still in a bull market at the moment. We haven't invalidated the structure to go to the bear market, and I'm going to tell you in a minute. But before that, let me take you into the daily time frame here. And you see the daily time frame, by the way, had this particular, bear pennant right now. And then according to that bear pennant, I'm going to show you if this one went from the top here to the bottom, and look where this one took you. Right on the money, right exactly where you wanted to go down. And that's the reason why I do think that you have bottomed out for Bitcoin at the moment, and this is potentially going to be a bottom. Now, there's one more thing I want to talk about, and then it's a bullish Harami pattern that I recognize. So this candle, it closes in the next 16 hours, this green candle, and it's potentially going to close as an inverted hammer. And if you join this red candle together, these two candles are known as bullish Harami pattern. Let's do a quick Google, because I love doing this, man. So bullish Harami candlestick pattern. This one is what I want to see, and I'm going to show you this image. It appears in a downtrend, and look at this, look at that. Okay, you have a bearish candle, you have the green, small green candle, it's not that big, and then from there you just continue to the upside. So this is exactly what we have right now. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, we had a spinning top as well. So Bitcoin is starting to look good once again, and this could very well be your bottom right now. And after this, you might not get that 29,000. I'm gonna entertain the idea of a 29,000 when it's gonna happen, but not now, not at the moment. The reason why is this is a very, 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 very strong level, and we are on our last hope, and this is your edge. You are at the edge of the cliff right now. Can Bitcoin push us to the downside? I don't know. I don't really know anything right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna say is, this is your touch right here, one touch right there, another one right here, another one right there, one right there, one right here, another one nearly there, and then this is what you have. You start to lose this line, it's very, very clear to you right now that this is gonna look so bad and so ugly as well. That's not gonna be ideal for Bitcoin, but at the moment, this is the biggest, strongest support that you have, and this is where you can actually buy. Maybe that's your bottom, completely bottom, before you go for $100,000 in this bull run. But the moment you're gonna start losing that, it's gonna be bad. And yes, there is a possibility to go to the downside. There is always a possibility to actually go to the downside. By the end of the day, this is crypto. You're not gonna be sure 100% if anything is gonna happen. Now, I'm gonna dive into the BLX once again here, and I wanna dive into the weekly time frame, and I wanna talk about that one last hope. So I'm gonna turn on this 20 EMA, and the 20 EMA is going to be viewed on the monthly time frame. Now let's talk about the 20. Here we are. So anytime you lose the 20 EMA on the monthly, that is a big indicator that the bear market is going to start. Okay, this is the cheat sheet of telling you if the bear market is upon us. This is still a bull run. The good news, we are still in an uptrend. We haven't lost the structure. Look what happened here. Look what happened here. You made some few bounces off the 20. The moment you just lost it, that's when you went for the bear market. Do you see that? The moment you just lost it. I'm going to show you the history of it. Anytime you just lost this 20, you actually went very down. Okay, this is your 20. Do you see that? Then you went down. Okay, you completely went for the bear market. Anytime you lose the 20 on the monthly, that's it, you're done. But at the moment, the last time you came, look, you came nearly the 20, you came again nearly the 20, and then you bounced off it. Now once again you're coming near the 20, and then again you're bouncing off from there. And this is a very big support. And the people who are saying that we have a double top, yes, we have a double top. Okay, we do have a double top, and we do have a head and shoulders, and the 29,000 is something that you have to keep in mind until you don't lose that, 40,000, 41,000 that I've been talking about. So this is going to be a detailed, analysis. You're going to enjoy this one, so stick till the end to know what Bitcoin can do. And this is just a research. Of course, by the end of the day, I don't do any financial advices here. Now, let's say on the monthly, because you see the evening star played out here, the evening star played out right there, and then you have a double top, and this is a bearish pattern. It is a bearish pattern, and I'm not going to actually hide it from you because that would be injustice to you. So this, from the top here to the bottom, that's 50%. So if you do drop by more 50% by breaking this neckline, you are going to go down to $19,000. Do you see that? $19,000. That's the first thing. If you break out of the head and shoulders, you are going to go down to the $29,000. That's the second thing. Now let's zoom out. Let's zoom out of things, and let's talk about the bad side of it and how you're going to be affected, and the good side of this market structure. So if I actually pull this a little bit down there to count this wick, or maybe just like this, I can even rearrange this, bottom right there, like that one, okay, and have the more touches the better. And you can even still make the fact that there's a little bit of a room left to actually go down to $19,000, and that was your previous last high. Now listen guys, this is not confirmed. I'm just talking about if you start to lose the 20 EMA. This is not confirmed. I'm personally taking this as, continuation pattern, because you might be making an ascending triangle, and I'm going to show you this ascending triangle. Now when people are so bearish, and this could be a bear trap, you might end up making an ascending triangle like this, which is a bullish pattern, by the way. Do you see that? This could be very well be your ascending triangle. And then considering the fact that this, from the top here to the bottom, you can still rise 100% after breaking the neckline. So 100% takes you to $140,000. Do you see that? I still believe that Bitcoin hasn't lost the structure it needs to lose to go down to $29,000. And that's the reason why I'm telling you, this is your last hope right there. And you cannot actually still ignore the double top, and you cannot ignore the head and shoulders. But when we're going to lose that structure on the daily, as I've showed you back in this chart right now, then that's the time when I'm going to be afraid, my friend, and we're going to say that, dude, that's it, we are done, we're doomed. Okay, but at the moment, this is big support, and that's just when you lose this line, then it's completely very clear that you've lost this support for the first time. Backtest, fail, you are gonna roll over to the downside. Simple put right now. And maybe this $39,000, this could be your bottom, and the seal of the dips before you go to 100K. Finger crossed. Let's see if Bitcoin actually does that. So please kindly like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.